Yeah, it's getting darker. I'm gonna get wet here in a minute. All I want to do is I need to make sure I get my trap set where I want it. The water's about 3 inches off the end. Well, 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches off the end. Okay. I do have those still loose. Give them a light fixture. Set that. My I think that's good. What do you think? Okay. Let's get that. Let's get this up. I'm getting a little bit wet. A little bit of wet here. Whoa. Let's see. The door is a little heavy. Now, yeah. Yep, the door is a little heavy now. I was expecting. Solid. Get it. Hey. Oh no. Yeah, I got a slight issue. Still got I need my Sawzall real quick, because you can see I still got my bolts hanging out the bottom. Not. Alright, gonna be good. Ripped on. Alright. Sweet. Battery operated. Holy cow. how to get one. You don't have to go up right now. Get out of the way. There we go. Here. Right. Forward a little bit. Say, my door is freaking heavy. Next step. Come on. Something started here. The light out of the way for a minute. Alright, just off the bottom of the floor. Forward, I think. What you doing? What are you doing? Okay, right? Alright, what's my name, Oh, okay. I think I squeezed the hinge too hard. Yeah, I gotta keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Might squeeze the clamp too. Well, close on the door. Okay, we're going to the back. Get the bat lined up. Right there. Keep that in mind. That's my going on back there. got a feeling the track is too tight. A little bit of an adjustment. Just a little bit. A little bit of adjustment, but we'll get that squared away, and then I'm gonna get a light or get that window in there, because right down the bottom down there, it's hitting one of the boards. And then I may have to bring it out just a little bit again. I may have to bring this out a little bit. You see, I scratched my paint with one of the bolts. Yeah, just pushing out a little bit each way. So, all right, so there we are. I got it up before it got wet. So the wood will stay dry. Yeah. So there we go. All right. I'll catch you up on the finished product once I get it done. But there we go. It's hanging. All right. This is where I'm at right now. I was trying to clear the bottom down there, because the board has rolled up a little bit. So what I found, because it being level at the bottom, but not level at the top. And what my dilemma is right now is, you can see the nut right at the very bottom of my picture here. All right, there you go. It's better. See that nut? Well, when it comes along and then comes up to this here, it's hitting, and that means I've got it all the way up as high as I can get it, and it needs to be dropped down a little bit. When I do that, of course, now it's going to hit my floor. Unfortunately, I made the door just a tad bit too tall on both occasions, too tall and too short. So I can't, unfortunately, it's not going to clear here. So now I've got to take it back. Lower just a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what I can do. I may have to do something with the bottom down there. I don't want to dig any more into the decking. Yeah, it's still a little bit of a rise there, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to do something down there. Okay, well, this was one of my problems. Can you take a look at these bolts or nuts? I had them backwards, or they had them backwards. I don't know, but the small one should be on top, so it will slide right through that. The big one will not, and that was what was jamming. You see, that was what was jamming up. Put the smaller one in there, and it will slide. You got all this room in between it. So that was also another one of my issues. So now that I figured that out, I'm gonna go ahead and get it back in here. And I got this. I can probably take this up again a little bit. I think that's too low. And then we'll try it again. All right, here we go for the 4th time. And I got that pretty much dead center in the middle of this is you can slide it in or out depending on what you want for your adjustment. So hopefully that's where we need it. The correct nut is on the top where it should be. All right, here I am. Let's shave a little bit down on the deck here and shave a little bit down on the bottom of the door. But I'm still having a little bit of issue with banging on these ribs. So it's end of my day today. I've been on this about 3 hours. So what I need to do is I need to cut another piece, about 1.25 inches. This is 1 inch now. So about 1.25 inches. And I'm glad I got enough bolt tip to do it, but as you can see, it slides back further than I need it. It's only gonna go, this is fully open right here, and it comes about right there. And then when I go to close it, just gotta push it a little bit, and then that's as far as it goes here. And I'd like to have it, I'd like to get it flush, but it's jamming up right here on the back side, right here, as you can see. So it's just a matter of getting those, making sure you get the right nuts in the right place, and then adjusting it on the fly. I really didn't want to do any grinding at the bottom of the door because of the fact that it was treated at the ends. So now it's no longer treated at the ends. Now it can rust. So just keep that in mind. I have to get some paint on it. But I'm going to trim this out with brown, just like this here. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Hi, dear. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's projects around the house.